My name is Simon Oka en ik het zoekservice. Ik heb TB bij de kanlong en pannenkanlong. Ik is daar ze begonnen. Toen zie ik samen van hem. En die dank bij Paula en Anna. Hi, sister, how are you?
Hi, Shimon. I'm good, thanks. And how are you?
I'm fine. Why am I sick?
Okay, Shimon, you are sick because you have a TB. It affects the lungs.
Isn't that better for?
Yes, my dear, you will get better one day.
What medication take better for?
You're getting, there's a red tablet that you get. I used to give you the red one that is called rifampicin, and that's a white one that is called the PZA. Those medication help you to fight that TB germ that you have in you to make you get better.
Wanneer kan ik thuis toe gaan?
You're gonna go home as soon as we see that now you are free from the TB germ, and then you have completed your TB treatment, which is 6 months. As you know that you are 4 months now in hospital. When you are 6 months now, then you finish your treatment, and you are taking your treatment very well, and then you can go home.
Is daar iets wat ik wil zeggen?
What I want to say is that if you continue taking your medication as you are told, you will go home one day. Ne? Keep on taking your medication and be a good girl as you are.
Baie dankie vir die onderhoud. Die mensen voor ik lief was met mijn vrienden.
I'm Simone's mommy and I love her very much.
Wat is Simone's jaar voor jou toen ik universiteit was?
Maar met baie seer gevoel wat mami vir jou so siek gesien het, Simone. Vir my dit gevoel dat jy verloor om jou siek te sien. As jy lekker gevoel om 'n ouer te sien met 'n kind wat siek is. Daar's baie van kinders wat buite is wat se ouers een keer omgee met my kind. Maar ek is altyd daar vir jou.
Hoe oud was ik toen ik in universiteit was?
You was 7 years old, Simone. You returned to out of December. And you went in on the 26th of November.
Wat hou jij van mij?
Weet je wat hou ik zo baie van jou? Sy is baie sag, stil. Sy is soos jou ander suster, oproerig. Sy sê altyd sê, Steffi, moenie aangaan met mami nie. Los de mami het nie nou gejal. Sy is altyd humble.
Is daar iets nog voor zeggen?
You know what I want to say? I love you very much. And you will always be my daughter. And I will always love you forever. To close the interview, Simone, die woorde wat sy vir mami vra is, slaat my onder my voete uit my kind. Van ek het nooit geweet ek kan so ver dink vir die ouderdom wat sy is. Om my sulke groot woorde te vra nie.
Dankie.